Imagine finally being able to top off your tires in less than 60 seconds without ever having to guess if the pressure is right or squinting at a tiny, flickering screen. Welcome back. If you're looking for a professional-grade recovery tool that's as fast as it is precise, the ROCGORLD R8 Tire Inflator is the high-performance 2026 upgrade that officially makes those slow, clunky garage compressors obsolete. This isn't just a minor update, it is a massive leap forward in inflation speed. The R8 features a powerful 40 liters per minute all-metal cylinder that delivers 3x faster inflation than standard portable pumps. To put that in perspective, it can take a standard car tire from 26 to 35 psi in under a minute, and even large Tesla tires are road-ready in just 1.5 minutes. Whether you're prepping for a road trip or dealing with a midwinter pressure drop, the R8 handles it with a professional 150 psi ceiling. The standout feature for 2026 is the large dual digital screen. Unlike older models that make you toggle between views, the R8 displays your real-time pressure and your preset target simultaneously. Powered by an advanced high-precision chip, it features an auto-stop function that shuts the unit off the millisecond it hits your desired PSI, preventing overinflation every time. It's built for the long haul with an optimized cooling system, a 10-feet heavy-duty power cord, and integrated emergency LED lighting with 3 modes: Spotlight, SOS, and Strobe. Compact, durable, and finished in a high-visibility design, it's arguably the most essential peace of mind accessory you can keep in your trunk. Click the link below for the best price and never get caught with a low tire again. If this breakdown helped you find the perfect emergency tool, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that keeps you moving. See you in the next one.